Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is a check? A check, also known as a personal check, is a signed document that instructs a bank or other financial institution to transfer a certain amount of money from the payer to the payee. The payer is the one writing the check, and the payee is the one receiving the funds. Checks are a convenient way to pay bills, give gifts, or transfer money without the need of physical cash. But they are becoming less common due to newer payment methods such as credit cards, direct deposit, online banking, and ACH transfers. Checks are very secure because a stolen check can't be cashed. The payee is the only one who can receive the money in the check. How does a check work? Once the payer writes the check, he then gives the check to the payee. This could be in person or through mail. Then the payee goes to the bank to cash the check by depositing it in his account. Once the bank verifies the details, the money is deducted from the payer's account and is added to the payee's account. Nowadays, checks can also be deposited online using the bank's app by just taking a photo of the check. What information is needed to write a check? Some of the details you need are the date, the name of the payee, the amount of money being transferred, both in numbers and words for security, and your signature. If any of this is missing, the check will not go through. There is an optional memo line, which the payer can use to mention the reason for the check. What if there isn't enough money in the account? In most cases, the check will bounce and will not be honored. In addition, the payer will be subject to fees such as non-sufficient fund, NSF fee, and returned check fee. In some cases, the payee is also charged a fee. Alternatively, if you've opted for an overdraft facility, the check will go through using money temporarily lent by the bank. In this case, you would need to pay back the overdraft amount along with a fee. Are there different types of checks? Yes, there are many types of checks like certified checks, traveler's checks, cashier's checks, money order, paychecks, etc. To learn more about these, check out the playlist on your screen. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.